Welcome to today's Daily Sit. Today we're going to be doing a breath pattern specifically for relaxing and releasing resistance. So this is a great practice for you anytime that you can tell you're holding stress and there's something you need to surrender. This is a breath pattern that's going to be a 4-7-8 pattern. So we'll inhale for 4, we'll hold the top of the breath for 7, and then we'll exhale for 8. And as we do this, I want you to use that exhale like it's a waterfall cascading down through your physical body, and that you feel the softening of the breath all the way down from the top of your head through the soles of your feet. You can do this 4-7-8 breathwork pattern seated, standing, lying down. Really doesn't matter wherever you are. We'll be breathing today for about 5 minutes. Let's begin. If it's possible, close your eyes or soften your gaze so that you can bring your focus and attention inward. Draw the belly in, draw the shoulders back so that you feel the space around the heart opening and you feel the belly soft. The spine is long, tall, supported. Even as we begin, you're going to feel a connection from the earth through the top of your head, like a line of energy. So whether you're standing and you feel that grounded connection through the soles of your feet, or maybe you're sitting and you feel that grounding connection through the root of your spine. Either way, I want you to first draw up that energy from the earth, feel the connection between you and the earth, and then draw it all the way up through the spine, stacking each vertebrae on top of each other till you feel that energy kind of flow out the top of your head. Really nice. Let's start with one cleansing breath. Inhale through the nose. Exhale out of the mouth, release. Again, inhale through the nose. Exhale, release through the mouth. And now we'll relax into this breathwork pattern. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, float at the top, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, retain the breath, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Float at the top of the breath. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, expand, 3, 4, retain the breath, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, float at the top of the breath, 3, 4, keep expanding, 6, 7, exhale, 2, 3, 4, dissolve, 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 8. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, expand at the top of the breath, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, expand at the top of the breath, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, exhale, 2, 3, 4, now soften, 6, 7, down to the soles of the feet. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, retain the breath, 2, 3, 4, float, expand, 7, exhale, 2, 3, you're melting down through your body. 6, 7, through the soles of your feet. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, retain and float. 5, 6, 7, exhale, 2, 3, 4, melt and dissolve. 8, inhale, 2, 3, 4, retain and float. 4, 5, 6, 7, exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, float, expand. 4, 5, 6, 7, and exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, float. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and exhale, melt. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, float, expand. 4, 5, 6, 7, exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, float, retain, grow, expand. 6, 7, exhale, melt, dissolve, let go. 6, 7, 8. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, retain the breath. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now hold still, put one hand on your heart, one hand on your belly, and just feel the buzz of energy that you built through your body. And notice that perhaps you're in a space of not thinking. The bigger reason behind the breath work we do is because as we train the mind to watch that breath and feel and sense that breath in the body, we're moving ourselves from the default network of the brain, which is the lower thinking voice in the head part of our mind, into the higher part of our mind, what's called the present-centered network. And this is where we're able to exist in the present moment without the bondage of self, the burden of that voice in the head, and all the problems and past and baggage that it brings into each moment. So just notice the spaciousness you feel in your body. Notice how you can sense the energy in your body. We call that inner body awareness. And as you move forward from this sit, see if you can move throughout your day today without losing touch with this inner body, this buzzing, humming energy that's here inside of you. You might pause a few times today and just ask, deep breath, can I feel my feet right now? Can I feel the space around my heart right now? And those little moments are going to bridge you back to this presence that you've cultivated here today with your daily sit. Namaste.